पश्येम शरदः शतम् जीवेम शरदः शतम् बुद्धेम शरदः शतम् रोहेम शरदः शतम् पूषेम शरदः शतम् भवेम शरदः शतम्.
The one thing we all seek in life: inner happiness, wellness, robust health, and an overall well-being. Without all this, anything we have in life is less meaningful. Yet, the question remains, where do I attain this, and how do I sustain this through my life? Wellness and well-being should then become a way of life. The place that gives you the answers to these questions is Vaidyagrama, authentic Ayurveda for universal well-being. What does well-being and wellness really mean? It is just not about the treatments that we take. It is much more than that. It is physical, social, emotional, and spiritual well-being. And in Vaidyagrama, we have created the ambience that would create the well-being for people. And everything is so much in tandem with nature. Look at the bricks, right from the rammer, the way we cook our food, using a lot of natural products, and the kind of air that is there with all the plants that is around us. It is an entirely eco-friendly space, and it's a green space.
Vaidyagrama, an Ayurvedic healing village with a vision of Ayurveda for universal well-being, is located just outside the city of Coimbatore. Vaidyagrama is an educational green Ayurvedic healing space where doctors live among patients and sustainable earth-centered living is the way of life. Ayurveda, the wisdom of life and longevity, and perhaps the oldest existing body of knowledge on the healing process, is here made contemporary without compromising its values. Diffuse lighting system is used in the construction, which facilitates natural lighting of the rooms. This is a plastic-free zone where everything reflects a strong vision for remaining eco-friendly and natural, right from the bricks used to the laundry practices, from the building structure to the food served. Soil blocks, which are machine-pressed and sun-dried, are used for the construction and are made from mud excavated for the purpose of laying foundation. Cement is used to the least possible extent. The mud used is mixed with herbal anti-repellents and anti-termites. Usage of non-volatile organic compounds emitting water-based paints is yet another green initiative taken while designing this healing space.
Vaidyagrama has been designed and structured on the basis of Ayurveda compliance, Vastu compliance, disability friendly, natural friendly, and user friendly. We have also structured the Vaidyagrama structure on the basis of Panchamahabhuta Tattvas like Prithvi, Ap, Tejas, Vayu and Akash, where all the Panchamahabhutas have been considered into the functioning and structuring of Vaidyagrama. The functionality of Vaidyagrama is based on reduce, reuse and recycle, where all the materials in Vaidyagrama has been reduced and then they have been reused after making certain processes. Once the process has been over, we recycle it to make the environment clean and eco-friendly.
Design of the building and the materials used ensure that temperature inside the room is around 4 degrees Celsius lesser than the outside temperature. Every patient block is designed based on the traditional Nalakettu pattern of construction. Rooms are spacious, where natural ventilation and natural lighting has been given prominence.
How did Vaidyagrama really happen? It was just not a place that is created, but it is actually a very divine intervention. Dr. Ram Kumar, who is an Ayurveda physician and practitioner, was really looking forward to seeing how to contemporize Ayurveda without losing the values that it actually stood for. It is indeed a big endeavor to see that the values are not lost. So a lot of study and research went into it. And 5 people came together, that is Dr. Hari Krishnan, Dr. Ramdas, Dr. Ramanand, Dr. James Sampath, and of course me, Kalpana. All of us came together to see how to make this a possibility, how to create a space of wellness and a well-being, a healing village, and therefore Vaidyagrama came into force. We all live in a dynamic world, full of stresses and strains, and we don't have time for ourselves. We don't sit down, introspect and reflect, and therefore a whole lot of illnesses right from our mind to our body that envelops us. And this Vaidyagrama, the healing village, gives you plenty of opportunity to sit down, introspect, reflect, and at the same time get healed. Learn about various dimensions that affect our body, and therefore there is a whole lot of well-being that comes to us.
A day at Vaidyagrama starts with the morning prayer.
कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुजुपुरुषार्थात्मकम्.
A healing space has to be cover all the 3 aspects of Adibaudiga, Adidevika and Adhyatmika. Adhyatmikam is our concern or our enthusiasm towards to know ourself, know our spirit, know our soul.
We at Vaidyagrama believes that the spiritual activities which we do here help the patients to triggering their enthusiasm towards the spiritual wellness, Adhyatmika.
This is the way by which we could make the holistic approach of healing possible.
Physicians visit the rooms of each and every patient, assuring the personal care and attention offered at Vaidyagrama. Food is served to the rooms by the caretakers.
विषद्रव्यानुपस्थापना योगीपादचतुष्टयं चिकित्सितस्य निर्दिष्टं प्रत्येकं तच्चतुर्गुणम्. It is told that there are mainly 4 factors for a quality treatment. They are quality physician, quality medicine, quality nurse, and obedient patient. All our senior doctors are third generation physician from Kerala. So, from the childhood onwards, we were very deeply rooted into the tradition of Ayurveda. Here at Vaidyagrama, we follow the traditional method of preparing medicines too. For example, we prepare decoction for each patient on daily basis. The therapists are well and specially trained under the guidance of senior physicians so that they remain motivated to take the maximum care of the patient.
After lunch, the patients gather at Brahma Kamalam, the prayer hall, for Yoga Nidra, which is a meditation session. The Yoga Nidra is followed by the Satsang session.
The patients to get completely convinced about the reasons of the diet and other restrictions what they undergo during the time of treatment, and also we want the patient to be more aware of the Ayurvedic way of life so that it will be easy for them to take it forward, how to take it forward while they go back from here after getting discharged. We achieved that by explaining all the various scientific reasons behind all the practices and restrictions which is followed during the treatment time based on the Ayurvedic science or all the Vedic knowledge system. It's done through satsang, which is conducted twice a day by doctors through talks and discussion with patients by explaining the different aspects of complete well-being.
This is a very unique custom practiced at Vaidyagrama in which every outgoing person plants a seedling which adds to the floral diversity around Vaidyagrama. A day at Vaidyagrama concludes with the evening prayers.
I'm fond of this place because it's so unlike any kind of westernized institution for healing. It's a place where we come to heal, where people come to heal, but simultaneously we're actually working in concert with the environment and working in harmony with the environment to promote healing within the whole ecosystem. So it's a special place and I'm honored to be here.
Mind when I think of Vaidyagrama is being mothered.
To me, Vaidyagrama means to be nurtured. The one word that I would use for Vaidyagrama is fantastic.
1000 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முந்தைய பரம்பரை வைத்தியமான ஆயுர்வேதம்.
Wow, excellent.
It's an oasis.
Nature.
Healing.
Community.
Bliss.
Ayurvedic Eco-Village.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Nourishment.
Vaidyagram बहुत अच्छा है.
Absolutely lovely.
Continuation.
Amazing.
Vaidyagram, it means more than a word. I think that it's a language. It's the language of your body, learning how to understand your body. That's what it means for me.
Come, experience the Vaidyagrama way of living and feel yourself.